What's going on, guys? This is Rashid, also known as Customs by Cash from Soul Rehab, and today I'll be showing you guys how I customize these Nike Air Force One on the Nike Check with this Galaxy effect, and showing you guys a couple of products I use.
Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to be using my cotton rounds of acetone that I got from Walmart to deglaze the Nike Check down. I'll talk about the airbrush I use a little bit later on in the video. The tape I'm using right here I got from Advanced Auto Parts. I'm just going to come back on my X-Acto knife, which is from Walmart, and I'm just going to tuck my tape up under the Nike Check.
See your bitch might kiss a nigga, which a nigga, get specific. Big ass pot, wrist is missing. Yo, licious shit, and yo, infant isn't. This cause some titties and scar your face. The wrong of wrongs is caught a case. All of niggas then mob like Carter say. From far away, all my niggas like, damn. Love a life above a reason, just can't find it like a dozen people. Catch that vibe at night and buy the wit and get too tired to write and died in prison. Felt like robbed tonight. Lost my God tonight.
Once you taped up around your Nike swoosh, you can begin airbrushing. I use Angelus Flat White and airbrush onto the Nike Check. My first color I would use next would be Jacquard with Opaque Violet. I would then follow the same suit with my Jacquard Emerald Green. The last color I'll be using is the Jacquard Metallic Blue, and I'll follow it with a little Angelus Flat Black around the Nike Check just to give the Galaxy effect.
Kiss a nigga, which a nigga, get specific. Big ass pot, wrist is missing. Yo, licious shit, and yo, infant isn't. This cause some titties and scar your face. The wrong of wrongs is caught a case.
I'll then use a toothbrush to speckle the swoosh, and then I can pull the tape off. Be careful pulling the tape off, as it can rip some of the paint off if you go too fast. Once I pull my tape off, I'll come in with my Angelus Flat Black just to touch up the black around the Nike Check, being that these were not a new pair of Air Force Ones. And I'll use a little Angelus finisher at the end.